Welcome to Package to Purpose. My name is Edmond. Today, we look at how to schedule jobs in AWX. Specifically, we'll schedule jobs for AWX to reach out to NetBox within some intervals that we would define and pull our inventory files or update the inventory files that we have. This ensures that we have dynamic inventorying of our resources in NetBox. We'd also configure notifications so that we can receive alerts once these jobs are initiated and also get notified on the outcome of these jobs. In our previous episodes, we integrated AWX and NetBox. As it stands, if we make changes to our devices in NetBox, we'd have to manually refresh our NetBox inventory for this to reflect. So we go to our sources and would have to sync AWX and NetBox. By creating a schedule, we ask AWS to do this for us dynamically at scheduled intervals. So we go to NetBox, which is our source, schedules, we add a schedule. We call this schedule NetBox Inventory Refresh. Can give it a description, would say we should start at 9:30 a.m. The frequency, we have different options. Minute, hour, day, week. You can run it daily, you can run it hourly. You can actually choose multiple options. In our case, just to show that this works, I'll just choose the minute option to run every minute, and we save this. Then we'll configure notifications. We have a couple of options. We can get notified if the job starts, if the job succeeds, if the job fails, or any combination of these. So I will select all of these. Then we would have to wait for our schedule to get started. If you look at our schedule right here, the first time that this initiates should be at 9:30 a.m. Currently, it is 9:26 here, which means the first execution would be in the next 4 minutes. So I would wait for this to start. By the magic of video, I would fast forward this so that you don't need to wait for the 4 minutes. Okay, so it is 9:30. Now, if you look at our jobs, first, actually, so if you look at our schedules, we would see that we have this schedule added. And if you look at our jobs, we have this just executed at 9:30. And when we look at our alert, we are saying that we had this run at this time and it completed successfully. So we have our schedule, it executes, and we get notified when this happens. So our next execution right here, every minute, we have this notification. We started the execution of this job. And once it completes, whether it succeeds or not, we should get notified right here. So we get notified and we can look at the specific execution of that job and the output of the execution. So let's make a change to NetBox and see whether this reflects. So in NetBox, IPAM, IP addresses, we change this IP address to 10.11.11.100, just an IP address. This is for our VPN gateway, and we save it. So let's wait for the next execution of this job. Currently, if we come to host and we look at our VPN gateway, it has already updated. We have 10.11.11.100. If you find this helpful, kindly hit like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.